In the class, while I started the chapter redox, I remember that I gave you introduction as regards oxidation number, what is reduction, what is oxidation, oxidizing agent, reducing agents, and these types. Okay. But before that, today's date is 4th of January. So we are meeting for the first time in 2022. So on my behalf, it's a happy new year to all of you. Stay safe and please follow the COVID guidelines.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So let me start. Basically, why the reaction is called a redox? Because it is a combination of a reduction and oxidation.
And oxidation.
Don't say oxidization, okay? That's technically incorrect. So reduction red and oxidation ox, this together will give you the concept of redox.
Redox.
Okay, now the question is, if you are really concerned with most of the reactions, let me give you a few examples. Number A, when we say that hydrochloric acid HCl reacts with sodium hydroxide NaOH, the products are NaCl, which is common salt, and water. This type of reaction basically between an acid and an alkali, you can also see a base, is called a neutralization. Neutralization.
Salt.
Yes. Now, neutralization in most of the cases is not considered to be a redox. Not a redox. Let us come in point number 2, where I will be showing you a reaction like copper plus plus will move to cathode, will gain 2 electron, and we are having Cu. Yeah. Now this particular thing is called reduction. Reduction only. There is no concept of redox here. Reduction only because electrons are gained. Electrons
and it is from a cathode.
Are gained. Okay. And not only that, cathode reaction.
Yes, cathode reaction.
Coming to the third part C, we are having something like O minus minus, rather 2O minus minus will lose 4 electrons and get converted to O2. This is oxidation. This is oxidation only. Because electrons are lost. Electrons are lost, and this reaction takes place at anode. So this is anode reaction. So now we can say at the side, I'm writing something here, that OIL RIG, that means oxidation is a loss and reduction is gain.
Reduction is gain.
Any doubt to anybody?
Yes. No, sir.
No, sir.
Can I go to the next page?
No, sir.
Wait. No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, so basically balancing an equation, there are certain methods. The number 1 is hit and trial method. The number 2 is oxidation number method. Oxidation number method. And the third one is ion electron method.
I have a question, sir. I can ask.
Please wait. Ion electron method. Now the thing is, these 3 methods are actually very popular. Students till class 7, 8 perform hit and trial method. As regards IGCSE syllabus from class 9 onwards, or rather class 9 onwards, you will be having oxidation number and ion electron method. Now the question is, sir, what are these? We don't know. That I will teach you. But before that, let us try to solve one particular equation on the basis of hit and trial method. Only heat and trial method. Say
Sir,
CH4,
what is heat and trial method?
that is I am doing right now, plus O2 equals to CO2 plus
Can you
H2O.
write the definition of all these three?
See, I'll tell you something, Arijit. Your question is good, but not all the definitions are always available. I'll tell you that with an example, you might find what is the difference between heat and trial method, okay, oxidation number method, ion electron method. With an example, basically heat and trial method means you have to consecutively go on trying by adding different left hand side and then balancing the right hand side. Okay, so I hope you know how to balance this particular equation.
Yes, sir.
Now, the normal way to balance the right and left equation is basically in the left hand side, you should write C equals to 1. Below that, you write H equals to 4. And below that, you write O
4.
equals to 2 in the left hand side.
Yes.
Okay. Now, in the right hand side, what you people will be doing? In the right hand side, you will write C equals to 2.
C is
Okay.
equal to.
Basically, in the right hand side, you will write H equals to 2. And also, with this oxygen, you are going to write O equals to how much? 3. So basically, there is a typing mistake.
3.
O equals to 3.
Sir,
We can see that already oxygen in the right and left hand side is not balanced. The other things can be adjusted by means of doubling or making 2, something like that. One more mistake I made.
C will be 1. C
Yeah,
will
C will
be
be 1 in both the sides. So now what we can see that carbon is clear in both the sides. Oxygen, okay, there is a problem in left hand and right hand side, and hydrogen, whatever the number is in the left hand side, half the number is in the right hand side. So what I will be
Yes.
doing is I will be
2H.
putting a 2H2O in the right hand side. So basically hydrogen, okay, adjusted
Will be 4.
because, okay, H2O made to 2H2O. Okay, this is adjusted. Hydrogen is adjusted. Now, as regards oxygen,
Yes.
let us come, if the right hand side is totally balanced, let us count the total oxygen in the right hand side. So total oxygen in the right hand
4.
side becomes how much? 4. So
4.
after adjustment, total oxygen in right hand side, okay, becomes 4. Okay, thus, comma,
Yes, sir.
2O2 in LHS will solve. That's all. So what I will do, I
Yes,
will put
sir.
a 2 here and the equation is balanced. Is it clear to everybody?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So wait
What is
now.
the function of
I need to
LHS?
understand and read it
Yes, I understand.
twice, thrice.
Okay.
Sir, what is the
Continue.
meaning of LHS?
Yes.
Balancing by oxidation number, also called ON method. Now, you know what do you mean by oxidation number? We have discussed. Anyway, just oxidation number of Mn in KMnO4 is plus 7. Oxidation number of S in H2SO4 is plus 6. These are the traditional values which are always there. Okay. So if I am writing an equation C plus HNO3 that gives you H2O plus NO2 plus CO2. So now question is, as I have been telling you in the class, physical class, that whenever you see an element alone, oxidation number is 0. This element
0.
this side getting converted to plus 4 because you are having
Reduction.
Carbon is C plus we are having 2 oxygen each minus 2. In their case, we are having C minus 4. Right hand side equals to 0. C equals to plus 4. So we can
Plus
see
Yes,
4.
reduction.
that there
Gain
is
of
a
electron.
change of oxidation number by 4 units. So oxidation number
Reduction.
Yes.
is how oxidation number is increased.
Yes,
Oxidation
sir.
number is increased by 4
Gain
units.
of electron.
No, Arijit, no. Do
4
not get
units.
confused. Do not get confused by gain in electron and increase by 4 units. We are seeing, or we can watch, we can see here that the oxidation number of carbon gets converted from 0 to plus 4. So where it is increasing in oxidation number, it is a case of oxidation.
Oh,
Remember this.
okay, right.
Sir, I
Ab-
cannot understand why it is oxidation number.
The gain of electron is also the increasing.
I'll tell you that
Excuse me, sir.
yeah,
Sir, can you please upload this video? Actually, sir, my phone's battery is about to die.
okay. Aradhya. So gain of electrons is reduction. Okay. Gain of,
Yes, sir.
okay, loss of electrons is oxidation. Please mute yourself. Loss of electrons is oxidation. Okay, again, increase in oxidation number. Increase in oxidation number is oxidation. And decrease in oxidation number is reduction. So children, please do not fumble while you are doing the sums. By saying, sir, see, this is oxidation, so this is increasing here. I have never mentioned any electron in the right hand side or left hand side. You can see that very clearly. I have not mentioned anything. Here only I am dealing with oxidation number. Now let us come to the second case. For nitrogen in HNO3, the value will be plus 5. For nitrogen in NO2, the value will be plus 4. So there is a decrease in oxidation number by 1 unit. Decrease
Yes,
in
sir.
oxidation number by 1 unit. And I told you, decrease in
Reduction.
oxidation
Reduction.
number is reduction.
Reduction.
Follow my arrows.
Now, sir,
well.
understood. Now,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
understood.
Follow my arrows very well. Okay, you will understand everything. Be there in the class. Okay, so what we can see
Yes,
that
sir.
oxidation number of Aradhya, stop making all those zigzag lines.
Yes, Aradhya is a foolish fellow.
Okay, so oxidation number of carbon, okay, increased by 4. Oxidation number of nitrogen decreased by 1. Decreased by 1. Therefore, carbon is to HNO3 should react in the ratio 1:4. They will be getting cross multiplied. Okay, so C and HNO3 will be reacting in the ratio 1:4. Let me quickly go to the next page. Don't worry, everything will be uploaded. C plus 4HNO3 will be having CO2 plus NO2, don't say MO2 by any mistake, and we are having H2O. So as I told you, C is 1, so CO2 will be 1. As there are 4
Yes.
nitrogen, here we will be having 4 NO2. There are 4 hydrogen, so here we'll be having 2 H2O. The equation is perfectly balanced.
Yes. Balance.
Okay,
Oh,
let us
so
try
can
one
Yes,
we
more.
sir.
go to the previous page?
Wait, C
Alright,
plus
don't worry.
C plus H. Who is that?
I think Aradho that one.
Aradhya.
No, no,
No, sir.
Rupanjan.
Rupanjan, yes.
Okay,
What,
okay.
sir?
S
Anjan is doing.
plus
What?
HNO3. Okay. Look here. We'll be having H2SO4. We will be having NO2. We will be having H2O. This is an interesting one. What is the change in oxidation number? Let us now see. Sulfur from
Yes,
0
sir.
to +6. Okay, from 0 to +6. So increase by how many units? Increase by
6 unit.
6 unit.
units.
Six
See,
unit.
all people. So this is oxidation.
Oxidation.
For nitrogen, what you are having? Here it is 5. Here it is how much? 4. So +5 to
Yes.
+4. Basically decrease
Decrease by 1 unit.
by 1 unit, which is a reduction.
Reduction.
So as per my conception, sulfur and HNO3 should react in the ratio. As I told you, there will be cross multiplication.
Yes.
So basically the change
sir.
from 0 to 6 and the change from 5 to 4. So it should be 6 and 1.
Yes.
So S and HNO3 should be like S plus 6 HNO3. Now come to the other side. 1S, so there will be 1 H2SO4. We are having 6N, so
Yes,
we will
sir.
be having 6 NO2. We are having how many hydrogen left? 4. It will be 2 H2O. Try, it is already balanced.
You
By
can't understand.
oxidation number.
Yes.
I said understand up to reduction and oxidation. After that, some
That
problem.
nothing. Yes.
So you follow here. Nothing to get scared, follow
Sir,
here.
one time go to previous page.
You
Alright,
will get the
Don't
explanation
worry,
here.
sad
No,
will.
sir,
show.
not copy. I have a question.
S, you are having HNO3, right? S, then in the
Understood.
right hand side, we are having H2SO4, we are having NO2, we are having H2O. Okay. Now, the main element you
Yes,
have
sir.
to identify sulfur in both the cases
Yes.
from 0 to +6. So here it is increasing by how many units? 6
6
units.
unit.
6 unit.
Increased by 6 units. So this
6
is a case
unit.
of what? Oxidation. Any doubt up till here?
Oxidation.
No,
No,
no.
sir. No, sir.
No.
Nitrogen here is how much?
Mm,
+5.
Last 4.
plus 5.
Nitrogen there is +5.
Yes. And
Okay.
yes, sir.
So +5, and here it is how much? +4.
Plus
+4.
4.
So basically what happens in case of
Decreasing by
nitrogen?
unit.
1 unit.
Decrease by 1
by
unit.
one
Yes.
Reduction.
Correct.
Reduction.
Reduction. Oh, I'm writing reaction. It should be reduction.
No problem, sir. We understood.
Okay, so sulfur and HNO3. Okay, basically the change in oxidation number will be 6 in this case and 1 in this case. So now just
Yes.
cross multiply. You are getting here 1S or simply
6
S.
HNO3.
Correct. 6
Yes. 6
HNO3.
HNO3.
Come to the
So
other
how
side,
we get that 6?
because there is a change
Are
of 6
change to
oxidation number.
increase by 6
Oh.
unit. Yes.
Okay.
Sulfur increase by 6 unit.
Okay, so in the right
That is
hand
the
side,
only
first
change.
write the product's name, H2SO4 plus NO2 plus H2O. Now,
Plus.
left hand side is already balanced. So 1 sulfur
Yes,
in
sir.
1 H2SO4. So that is balanced. We are having 6 nitrogen,
Yes,
so
sir.
put 6 NO2, no issue. And we are having Out of
Yes.
6, 2 hydrogen are adjusted here. So we need 4 more
3.
adjustments.
Oh,
Out of 6, 2
2, 2,
adjusted
2
here.
H2.
2 H2O.
2 H2O.
So now you see
Yes.
sulfur
And-
equals to 1, hydrogen equals to 6,
Yes.
nitrogen equals to 6,
Yes.
oxygen 18. Come to
Yes.
the right hand side. Sulfur 1, hydrogen equals to 2 2s are 4 plus 2 6. Okay, nitrogen equals to
Yes.
6, 4, 6 2s are 12, 16
Yes.
and plus 2 18. Oxygen
Yes.
equals to 18. All are balanced. The equation is complete and balanced. Okay.
Understood.
Yes, sir. Now
And
go to
Wait,
the.
sir, wait.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
And sir, please upload it, please.
Yes.
Yes. Obviously. By
Sir, go to
this
the
way, we
previous
can